Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And
Never noticed that there's something going on.
Right. So
Yeah, it's kind
Beth
of
and Spencer's got an early Christmas present for you.
Oh,
Got
God.
open together. Madison. Katie. Katie's what? Right. You gotta close your eyes when you open the envelope, and then when you feel what it is, obviously just keep your eyes closed. So close your eyes. Right. Open it. Open what's in your hand, but don't open your eyes. Oh my god. Kenzie, you might want to. That's it. Right.
Yours is upside down, I believe, isn't it?
Oh, Kenzie, yeah, yours is upside down.
Not my fault.
Right. Kadia, open your eyes first, but don't shout out what it is. Read what you've got. Kenzie, your turn. My turn.
I would let them do it all at once.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted to do it like that.
Reaction.
Right, now, Madison, Kenzie, and Kadia. Now you can open these together.
I can't get into it.
Yeah, that's quite funny actually. Wait till Madison on Christmas Day.
Steve on the handle.
Just rip it open if you have to.
Oh my god.
Get my phone. Oh god.
Look at the front.
Outside of a road.
It's got my name on it.
Yeah, it all scrunched up and oh yeah, by the way,
I like that.
behind the sofa.
Does someone want to read out what the ticket says?
Merry Christmas. We are going on holiday for New Year's. We are joining Beth, Spencer and Sienna to celebrate New Year's at Butlin Skegness. So better get packing as we don't have long to go. 27th of December to the 2nd of January.
Have you worked out when that is?
New Year's.
No, when we got to leave by. When you got to pack by.
Next week. Next
Well, when's Christmas Day?
25th.
I'm
Yeah.
a surprise. We're actually going on the 26th because we're staying in a hotel the night before. Because we're cutting up the journey because
So
it's
we're
way
going
too much.
Boxing Day.
Too much
So
to do.
Boxing Day, you need to be packed by Boxing Day.
Because we're leaving.
Yesterday when you kept saying, I wish I was coming to Butlins with you.
That's what you needed the
This
printer
is
for,
what you
wasn't
told Lauren.
I knew the whole time. Mum was the one that she wasn't originally going to book it. And then she found a really good price. So now
It's amazing what we can get done when, or what Mum can do, obviously, when you look right under your noses and you ain't got a clue. Because Mum did all them jumpers.
Madison nearly found out.
First thing I
twice.
said to her, I came down is, what have you booked?